how to go from this to this. Let's take a look. So first you want to select the rows that you want to hide. And the 3 quickest ways that I found to hide rows in Excel are to select, right click, and then click on hide. You can select, right click, and press H, or select and use the shortcut CTRL 9. And this works for multiple rows as well. And if you just want to select certain rows, you can use Control. Now to unhide, you select the row above and below the hidden row. You can right click and click Unhide. You can right click and press U. Or you can press Ctrl-Shift-9. This works with multiple rows as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.